all girls use this. It's a machine.
Yeah, after
A
showering.
hairdryer.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. Hi.
Hi, Maya.
Hello. How are you?
I'm good. How about you?
Good, thank you. Long time no see.
Yeah, I'm so sorry for that.
That's okay. How have you been?
I have been chilling actually. I want to play a game with you. Do you like games?
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. So, but it's a challenging, okay? It's a
Oh gosh.
challenging. I guess like it's for me and it's for you, okay? How? So I'm gonna give you like Arabic words, okay?
Oh
And
gosh. Okay.
you will, yeah. Maybe you will learn something in Arabic. And the challenge for me, I'm gonna explain what these words means in English. But
Okay.
you have to give me the name of these words in English.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So
I'll
the
give it a
challenge
go.
the challenging for me here to explain the words.
Yes. Explain the words, and then I have to guess, or not guess, but figure out or understand what it
I-
means.
yeah. Okay. So you have the first word is it's kitab.
Okay. It's funny because the people that watch these videos be like, oh, I know what that means, and I'm sitting here like, right.
I played this game like 2 years ago, and I posted it there, and it turned out, we have like some words, we share some words from another countries, you know.
Oh, that's interesting.
Yeah, like some people keep commenting. Yeah, we had the same pronunciation with the same name.
Oh, I love that. Yeah, it's so crazy how we have similar words from other language, like other. Okay,
Yeah,
so
exactly.
what was the word?
Yeah, kitab. Try to pronounce it.
Kitab.
Yeah,
Okay.
that give you like knowledge, and you can find it at a library.
A dictionary or a book?
Yeah, yeah, that's right.
Book.
A
Kitab.
book. Yeah,
A book.
yeah, that's right. Yo, I
I
like
don't
your
know
Arabic.
why my head instantly went to dictionary. Like it's a type of book, to be
Yeah,
fair.
yeah, yeah.
I don't know why I instantly went to you're like something that gives you knowledge. I was like a dictionary. I
A
don't know why I said
dictionary.
a dictionary. Like what a stupid word to go to instantly.
Another challenging word. Okay.
Mhm.
Shiswar.
She's
Wow, I like your pronunciation. Yeah, Shiswar. Something that, something that, like, let's say, all girls use this. All girls with their body.
I mean,
Think, and after a few seconds,
my first reaction is something period related, but I can't imagine something like that. So can't imagine that's what you've chosen. So all girls use this.
use this.
Only
Yeah.
only girls and not boys.
Sometimes some boys, not all of them, but it's more common for girls. Sometimes you use it after after showering. It's a machine.
Like body lotion. A
It's a
machine.
machine. Yeah, it's a machine. See, I'm gonna give you good clues.
All girls use this. It's a machine.
Yeah, after
A
showering.
hairdryer.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. Gosh, all girls use this, and I'm like, could be anything.
What what like came in your mind?
I thought something related to periods, and I was
Uh-huh.
like, I really can't imagine he's picked something regarding periods. So I'm
No,
not going to
of course,
start guessing
because I,
things period related.
because I said like some boys they use it,
Yeah,
so
then when you
the,
said
the
that, I
boys
was like,
they don't have period.
well, no, after you said that, I thought bras. Some guys use bras, like, you know.
It's interesting to play this game.
Yeah, like, you know,
Say
I
that
lived
again.
in Thailand. There's a lot of lady boys in Thailand. They use bras.
Whoa.
So,
Yeah. Let me teach you another word. Okay. But I'm gonna make it easier for you. I have a list here. Let's say Jawal.
Jawal.
Yes. Yeah.
Jawal.
Yeah.
Okay, I don't know.
All people around the world have Jawal, and they use it every day.
Phone. Yeah. Jawal. Jawal.
Jawal.
Hey, I didn't do a stupid guess this time. Woohoo!
Yeah. Or maybe my English is very good, so you could
I
guess.
think as soon as you said all people around the world have this, I thought
Yeah,
phone.
yeah.
And then when you said they use it every day, I was like, it's phone.
It's phone. You know, I'm here. I'm fishing compliment. Yo, since you guessed Jawal very quickly, I'm gonna give you another word. Okay.
Okay.
Pantaloon.
Trousers.
How's that possible? Whoa.
Because they're pantalones in Spanish.
Yeah. Also, I guess in France they say pantalon. I guess.
In American English, they call them pants.
Yeah.
But in English, pants are different. Pants are
Trousers.
Yeah, you call them trousers in English from
Yeah.
England.
Yeah.
But pants are your underwear.
Yeah. You know.
Yeah, so in English, from
I was
England,
struggling
pants
with that.
are underwear.
Yeah, you know, I was struggling actually with that. I used to say trousers because, and I saw like a tourist say pants. Wow, pants! Whoa, she said pants.
She said
Oh my
pants.
God. Because I used to like pants. It's underwear.
Yeah, yeah.
And now
in
I
England,
learned
if
the
you say
differences.
pants,
Yeah,
yeah, if you say pants, you're talking about underwear.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's pantalones in Spanish.
They say it like pantalona.
Pantalones.
Pantalones. Yeah. Wow, that's very interesting. See, we'll learn something today.
I guessed it, and you were like,
Yeah.
what?
She has Arabic race. Maybe she has like Arabic race. I don't know.
Maybe.
Check out your family tree.
I'm just a genius.
Yeah, you know, I like to play these games with my tutors. It helps me to kill my nervousness. Actually,
Yeah.
yeah. I like to like giggle with them sometimes. Let's play this game, but I'm gonna make you like confused since we have like less than 2 minutes. Okay, so it's a funny question. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. What is the difference between you and me?
As in, like, is it a joke?
It's a joke, yeah. But you have to
Okay,
guess.
what?
But it's a funny question.
I don't know. There's many differences, but I don't know what the answer you're looking for is.
Give it a chance.
You're male.
And you're a female.
Yeah, there's a difference.
I'm Iraqi and you're British.
Yeah, there's another difference.
Okay.
But what's the answer?
Okay, the answer is we have like 30 seconds. I'm gonna
Tell
give
me
you
what the answer is.
Okay, I'm gonna give you the seconds. I'm gonna give you the answer within the last seconds.
Oh no. So it's gonna hang up and you're not gonna tell me, and I'm gonna be like, what was the answer?
Okay, it's easy and simple because you has 3 letters and me has 2.
Oh.
I'm on a new level. I'm on a new level.
Gotcha.
Oh my gosh. It was nice to see you.